Hello, Bio 107 students. This is Professor Fernedovich. I wanted to show you our Moodle page and just give you a little brief orientation on what's available here. It's going to change a little bit as I work on this course. Right now it's still May and our course doesn't start until July, so I'm going to be adding material. But here's a little preview of what's here. We have our welcome material here. Course announcements are where I'm going to put all the important information. These should be linked to your email, so you should get pop-ups or notifications of course announcements. If you're not getting those, make sure to check these um, every day during the summer or weekly during a regular semester. The Community Help Forum is a very useful place to have student-to-student conversations. You are welcome to exchange email addresses with each other. If you've got questions about the class and you don't want to contact me about them, you could always pop them here. I usually don't check the community forum, so if you have a question directly to me, don't put it there. Send me an email. Email is the best way to contact me, and my email address is located over here in the professor information block. I check my email all the time, so feel free to send me an email with a question. What else do we have here? There's some tutoring services available if you need a tutor. Bio 107 during the summer is very fast paced, so it requires a lot of attention. There are 24-hour tutors available through tutor.com, so that can be helpful for you. I also have our lab syllabus here, and lab schedule may be subject to change. So we have Lab 1 materials, Lab 2, Lab 3, Lab 4, Lab 5, and introductory materials located here. This is where the video will be. To look at what's in one of these kind of folders, you go over here to toggle down, and there you'll see some links. This video will also be in there. Lab 1 is here, and all the information for Lab 1 is under there. All the information for Lab 2 is here, etc. Due dates will be on this site as well. The first few labs will be due the first week of the summer, the next few the second week, and you'll be able to see that as we get into the semester. So I look forward to working with you all and have a wonderful day.